Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Abeg, if today na una first time wey una dey watch this my channel, make una no forget to subscribe, to like and to press the notification bell so that anytime when I upload video e go dey sound for una phone kpaka. And for this my channel, we dey upload everyday the latest aproko, the latest gist in town. So guys, anytime wey be say I upload, make una come dey join me, okay? So I go dey see una, make una bye bye oh.
Congratulations to you. Uriye social media una dobie kia mula wa o. Ekia kwini namo. Uriye social media una miekia nopta ekia no henegbe una mula wa o. Oteme no wese o. After we sale kia yuene. Uri sale kia yuene una miokba mula wa we oga ohin. Omaye na osima nokba o. Owi ero wodo 16 years oga sale kia yu Mami kunoro wadano gedo Ugbe Monica Benamio. Congratulations to you, my sister Ekia Queen. Congratulations to you, Queen in Nagome. Ekia Queen in Nagome. Yero Yoro, my sister. Or the new woman now toga guejo. Tenendo. Or the new woman now toga guejo. Or moya nyado. Or mo ego egberome na yanyado toga guejo. Ekia Queen in Nagome. Iwijaro ga yoro. Ekia Queen in Nagome. Ijaro ga yoro. Uga bia my sister. Mama munya kegbe. I'm not maro. No ekena melela iviebo. Ejenu hiave bie. Salobo ga benya wa yobe. Ekia Queen in Nagome. Congratulations to you, my sister. Omo na enegbe. Yagbe omo ime o. Yagbe omo o. Otene. No Ekia Queen, congratulations to you, my sister. Umi Odone, Umulawa, single mother must marry. Say, no, say, again, when I got Balekia, you will have a Romeo Magijere. Give me a Mulawa, Yagas, when I tease you, my sister, again. Oh, have you been a good time? Then when I got Salekia, you have a social media and I get where yeah, my woman planning a life, your every disappointment is a blessing, my sister. Ekia no bele, you have a social media, yeah, me done. Congratulations to you, my sister. Now, woman, you be who dey? Don't be more, Ekia Queen in Nagome. Don't be more, Yaro, Yaro, Mose, don't be more. Monica Nogome. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you, adulterous woman. Monica, congratulations. Congratulations to you, adulterous woman. Nogome. Adulterous woman. Odafe, Godfather. Okay, Godfather. Congratulations to you, my sister. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you, Monokeke no Monokeke, Aboke, a Godfather. Monokeke no Aboke, Godfather, no Godfather, oh, Salekia, your Monokeke, oh, okay, no, we are 16 years anniversary. Oh, yes, so my people, I greet now, better star. I do my bed, I had a cheese. You understand? I off last man, today my sister wedding anniversary, 16 years wedding Ibiaga. Larry, area do what to work bay. Away in every nonsense, there's always a sense. But be understanding me now. Oh, no, we're not for the past how many years? Atale where uge, monubio, monubio, umatizo yakbo yabikbi, yasiendigwe. Why do I celebrate 60 years anniversary in Igbeage? Wow. Ugili wow. My congratulate you. Imami tema tamawe. You go tagogo. and when they congratulate you, you have a here, you have a TV. But one thing I want to show you, when you may congratulate you, be a girl. You congratulate us, see well, as if your coffee, as she poto, as she equal fake life people. Passport, women, Holland passport, do we Holland passport? Me on the Guinness Book of Record, when we get the ability say everything about your fake life. Hey, you get money. You get money. Oh, my second house now I buy for UK, so a boy me palo first house. It's a fake life. Everything about you is fake life. Fake life. Oh, no ragmo, no remi, boana me here. A boy I do celebrate 60 years in marriage. Who told me, where me we tired man and the way you have spent 20-something years in this marriage. You they quit forget things, but people when they look you will not forget. Now you they celebrate 16 years in marriage, but you don't forget, so you don't use and boast for this social media. Say you don't spend 20-something years now. Now a day where you did for marriage. You don't use and rake. Say 20-something years now you did for marriage. But today we hear say now 16 years to celebrate. Oh, you know, Obama see. I only 2 days. Well, I can't celebrate 40 years in marriage. Why deceive when na ko ni o ani mo de gbutori ma na te marriage life nya se ma ko nya mamare wa ya ke ma le we ke no ro the way yaro wozo ona mo ready ye ni ready bu o yi ga mistake no ga wa ma we na mistake ready go wa pe koria wa ya bi ni o wa mi ando le go do ke congratulations wa congratulate la yi go no ka do si ya de din ni ri agele ye de jete asimo eje sinu mu yowa do ma mo bi abi no da fun we ga Bruce yowa wa you know ya gbon tari agbogere abus no liga no yin eho hian bonka o ga ma mare o ma na Bruce bu yowa e Monica you know ya this go life ne or you know finish life from there abi ko ni be o ma ti tema bu ma Monica. Let's assume say na person married such kangaroo for us. That kangaroo with Monica for us. So if now person married that come up for us, any live video presenter married that kangaroo for us, Monica will not use my finisher. We get 3 more for head. Or you know your pet, or you know dollar, you know your go. That when Destiny Bagua are they the same category. You know see Destiny Bagua where Destiny Bagua stand. Who I think with Destiny Bagua motor. Destiny Bagua we carry la jan. I think we motor. We want the kangaroo we munya. Yo me someone never saw it to no you na sikla no mukia no wa you kun de yagmo we ma kun do ni abola wa gbe wa yun wa sefa press red the red the ola wa gbe even the red even no buy no ba hu ya mi we ye na we no ba o ya mi we no appear no buy na red do ya we December eve o ba lo ya we December no period the ye wa be you wa I do my soft drink. There Monica, Mate Monica, na wa we verse we. Monica na we verse we. O ga ma bi, o mare asimo agency we mu you wan asimo agency. That your daddy kuli if I born Allah wa if I give wa o awe moja. E mo no wa me mo ni pe mu, o ma to ni pedigree o ma le. E mo ni zo social media. O ga ma bi o yo gba ni yo wa. O you know zan, you know ta ko yo egbe. O dada we mo kian o asimo agency we mo le gbe kian wa de wa go wa onu yin na sikila wa gbon mo na ma plus we 16 years anniversary wa assist to 60 years of igbiaga 60 years of obele go small money 60 years of afi wele afi poto afi rogo wa salo when at your word, Owazuo where you was Eweje, Ewodo. Because me there one do no word do, no gili mungo yona kayo be no gazuo live video in wezuo live video ni abo mo a o agbon. We me we dey matugwe. Begbon si gbon no ma we no, begbon si gbon. Agwo wa GPC ni o wa. Abi ko ni ro wozuo. Ni yan ro word do ni body liwe. Yan na fin ago agbon, yan na gbe o agbon. Aba yo wa GPC ayo yo wa GPC no wa GPC gbiaga GPC obele go small money GPC asi wolo asi poto asi khoro abe khoro abu hino huya we ne jare kai we no kemu we se wono ga fanya kam ami we GPC iko ya le GPC we yan fanya o fanya we na ga we na kan Uhia fian. Uhia. Oyina. Uhia ina egile na no fe. Egile ni yiregbe. Egile ni yiregbe onyunu yoto. Akpi kono ruwe age. Wa gwo wa GPC do wa. Aba akpi kono no gwo iga bina gedidi no he makaba. Wa saloa. Wa pa no do gbigbe age webo. Wa gbigbe age wona me degree wona ga ti gbo GPC GPE gbe age GPA kia magwalo. Wa bola wa gbe isachi kiru wala wa o wa gun ekwe mu mo age eki bianu ya ti godfather agbowe mi tare le we ken we godfather we bolo we ni o bolo we sister ga bolo we o baba do bolo we o eru wala bolo we igirie babe o salobe egirie babe wa guogwa du we go ma igirie hin we wo so wona vembo yo wo so wona ya vembo wo so wona ya vembo wa guogwa wa gbo ni baba la wa gbe wa ro wa ye do wa kinu wa bi e doa nu wa bi e doa Saloa vikbugi. Esachi keru wala. Deru wala magele huwe. Wose deru wala wa ya vebo vedodi. Vogele winye ya vebo. Wose nwanta we. Iga egele nyukubia okuna we. Iga egele miyokuna ban. No vebo yoda danda. Aso weirdo. No ya sinye negbe. Wose kumuna vu ebedi oni. Iba bola wa egbe bagboge. Okuna owa. Do we 60 years in marriage. 60 years ogwe. 60 years oge. 60 years numa ya ro wodo. Ya ro wozo. Agogwa. Kabe de doge no abi yo ni sono celebrate we. Dey man celebrate we abi yo ni so yan. Awo bele go some money. Odi gbigbi age for many years. Ma boy gbigbi agbegbo. Ado agun awe live video. Ibon aye gbomo ya gbe foundation. Aga ye gbomo ya ga wo soro gbe iro si. Do ye fe bo we me baba na me no we wa agwo wa. Ajo de drink. Mana ogana we GPC ya bozege no we da ko be gbani ya we e mani be kumi e mani kubi ni be mistake la na GPC self iya be participate iya wa na we ya reba. A lot of women are in bondage in the hands of Iyotiku because of even no gwe audio no gwe ha gin akpa e ya bolele wa akpa problem de via afnya gifia wa saloa wa ya re bondage after oba won wa ga pay madam o wa ya pay monica wa ho wa gbon bi ko ni ho wa salo asa wolo wa go 60 years of adulterous off we go my brother e what no 60 years of igbiagia abi did no man yaji wa salo wa bola wa gbe wa gume ya yi wa ni wa la Facebook to ma congratulations ko wa kan kwa wa ekwegele mu wa ho wa ya no egwe no yare din ni re omo na tale le kege ni adi wa zo ayo wa ba abi did not man yeah that is a you the document can man salu bi wa ora we ko ni yo wa mo na plaster wa pa yare no say self kote wa pa yare ni government mo wana that is 20 years Europe you know we government wa zaga iwa ya do wa ne bebu pa wa yimu wa room that is 20 years Europe wa ile dare mu wa room idare ya mo room awozo abi ku ni pe mu 20 years Europe idare ndare ya request your passport ba wa yimu befitted ye gwale mu room ye le dare sinye mu room abi ni pe mu agomo gwan bogbe o wa ti wa owo na wa ka bi ma o gwan to wa ma bo we omo no ma wa ma bi church mono mo wa ni ga de gbe ra bi ye ri welele aya mi adogba no bo o ma de ga family wa abandon wa because you are abandon project time wa we mo dogbo ya gbe aga e bo ye yari at zero. That's why they abandon you people asalo wa re wa do ra jara bi do agun address them. Hello my people, hello my lovely people. Wow, lovely cocoa, I lovely beaga. 60 years of 60 years of marriage, you know. o salwa ago tunge oni kawe gune no wiyan ifiaba oni gwo no pe no wi ehu wọ́n máa mú ọ̀wẹ́ ọ̀gá wọn bí ọ̀tọ́ ògè níyàn ọ̀gá wọn bí ọ̀tọ́ ògè níyàn gbogbo ẹ̀yà àrí ẹ̀bẹ̀ bọ̀ gẹ́ ọ̀wá dùrọ̀mọ́ fún wọn irọ́ ọ̀wọ́ bí ẹ̀wò kàn án ẹ̀sùn ẹ̀fọ̀ rẹ̀ náà gbó ọ̀wọ́ àbá gbọ̀n orí wọ́n máa hùwẹ́ ìfìdífì obí wọ́n máa hùwẹ́ ẹ̀rú bẹ́ẹ̀ jẹ́ máa yóò kójú bọ́ wọ́lọ̀wọ́ he wọ́n wọ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n píkẹ́ wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n máa yóò bọ́ wọ́lọ̀wọ́ he wọ́n á gbó ọ̀wọ́ a wọ́n ní ẹ̀rọ ẹ̀sẹ̀ mọ́ nílẹ̀ nù ẹ́ ẹsẹ wẹ uri kẹgọ ri yunu sọn akpẹ kọsọ wòye àwọn miekia ọsẹ ni eriyan na kóńdó asi kẹyan because ibi kani asi ibi kani nana fẹn ọfọ ibi kani for 5 minutes uri eki wẹ uri yunu kpẹ wenu kẹkẹ ye kíase ìviẹ ni viẹ bi kẹkẹ ye kíase ìviẹ ni viẹ ti ri kẹ òyà ìfi ní ọpẹ ọsálọ ọgá afi yẹ yọ ọgá sọ yọ eyo yàrá ọkẹkẹ yàrá ọkẹkẹ kẹkẹ yọ bẹ ọkẹkẹ yàn sálọ bẹ ọkẹkẹ sálọ bẹ ẹyìí wà bẹ ọkẹkẹ nàgà sálọ bẹ ẹyìí wà bẹ ẹsùn ẹwù ìfìyẹ máa gbáwẹ ẹkẹ ààrẹ tìrasọ wọn kéwìn rẹ ọkẹ ìfìyẹ yàrá ẹyìwé ọkẹ yàrá ìfìwé ẹkẹ náà ààrẹ tìrasọ wọn kéwìn rẹ ọkẹ ìfìyẹ yàrá ìfìwé okay why just imagine the kind of set of people okun náà ọrọgbọdọ náà yàrá ìfìyẹ náà ìfìyẹ yẹn náà ọtí ọbẹ Monica ọrọwọdọ ọbẹgẹ yẹn náà and they are the same set of people who have done this to these children when igun wa gun ọsẹ wa yìí rí they are the same set of people. Ikuni rogo donige. Abo gogo. When I say guy atiti kai. Abo gogo. Abi gbe aga no gogo. Oh God. Hey. Wa ka no da fo es o da fo vie. No vie mo ni le ni vie. Ora fian akpe ko ga don. Akpe ke vie ga blow win so ne. You don't see any economy no the you. Obe kekere ba we like be ban. When every year ba boya like be. Avec quelqu'un ban, il va boire le live ban very soon, il va boire le live ban. Il va boire rien live. That is agbo vi almost to buy. E na gba nu pogodo no, a le gba social media ban. Wa obe ku kede. Ye be le den ya ni gogo no be le ni. O mana ma ya be you be vele ban, be vele. Every year disgrace no must to live. Inheritance no, ayebuku no. It's family problem. You cannot reverse the course. It's a generational curse from the mother goes to the father, to the daughter. The sin of the father affects the children. Oh God, I don't know where it is for Bible now. How do I drink? Why bowl of we eba ivi? Wahami vin, dafi vinomo we lenivier. At me go ega don. No ya de we you. Or ya sebrio. Eke agare trosuma oke vi yari iwo kimure oke yari iwo ono ye ti rebo wodo atana oke ti pa de yeti just imagine, they look at their lifestyle, they can never have peace. Everybody is talking about them. They don't have peace. They are some presenter on the social media. I rate Ebonia, I rate Gunyagua. Even if maybe 1 or 2 times you have a big mistake, have a saga yawe, but Oginya Ivana, Monica Bivi. Just the two of them, their lifestyle. Lare eke emi ami ate keti no ho ni kwemu ket ODL mu dro awa gbori ba bola wegbe lare wọn no gun tende gbemo no na ho wo mana kanu je o make ni waya so wai wa bere weti we marriage uya de kan no we de marriage we wo de do day we wo na ho waya congratulate igbe aga squad association because igbe aga working the same adulterous woman working Monica working eketi adulterous woman working we ma ge we ro hodo bonu mare ge Johnny yes papa eating sugar no papa no mare uma ge nya uma yo ya usa ge nya ni ba bona la we gba e se no so ngana ge celebrate Monica no venu de na ge ya mo no ho wa venu fiansa ya gbe yu ewu wa no de ge zuwa Monica is the first person to disgrace you on social media omo no ma ni wa ya si ai eketi no ho wa wo igili wa ho wa se wa you see bed of the seven who must gwalegbu wa mi igbe aga association you people must find yourself who must gwalegbu wa mi eketi e monica ka juju we ma social media na e monica dia won di bu enwe iju we wo mwere ndo we balance kare e balance kare e ywe unwe uri ywe ya se ge no balance nwe una ri apostle ywe na ro e no na agbe aga ywe na gele am position ye wa na agbe aga ebejo. You understand? If I need you now, Katie Gumaka, what you go to book a saga you were doing my enemy come with her. They want to book my enemy, I tell me when the booby yasaga you a would that Katie, a video no, una we could read Bejo, Nick Ben, and Bejo, Yan a bay, young with young winner, young king, Nadia, Benda, La Posto, Yaka, Rekia, and Yaya de Bible. Is you where I do it? Katie, don't ever boy, do you my way? Is you where I do back in with our honey? Is where we Bejo? Iju ga mu daye glass be bejo ga mu daye glass red light be bejo. You understand? Omo no gbiye anywhere ye niyan iju ti ibude no because what ibude ni iju who iju is your girl wo mu eno no balance iju balance we no balance o yan wo a anyway na iju we mu digo fiansan wa mu amo iju o geru we wo yo ala je no congratulate igbe aga squad association Obele gosubo money, afi wele, afi soko, a soko family, a Zanza association. Wabe you wa bed of the safe that flocks together. Wasalo. Can one you a man with ye? Man with ye, Wabola webe, Yahweh's to Niomajeji, a dear kit, wa dili wa kitwa, kete. Mary Kachakatokin. One belong by fire by force. I can't remember working young with Roman back. They want to group ye boy now. You don't mean now. You know, don't be say you don't know. A guy was walking. I too know who will group ye boy. You a swaggle a little say, a swing a little say. Early morning, a runner or a nerufu. We also, okay, goes Robert Tory. Make it done. A beautiful woman with a bad heart is an evil woman. It's an ugly thing. Because young with my sister, go and sleep. I don't mind drink. How are you? If I didn't want to do social media with now, now. If the funniest part, the people that didn't want to celebrate themselves, the Katie, Yage Monica, Yage working class woman, no, girl. Oh God, I don't that. Working class is big, yeah. They are all sort of working class. Can you? They swear for now. Working class women that are committing adulterous. Working class women who are frustrated. Working class women who came to Europe for Omiogo, for a Biage association, for a Zanza group association. Eketi la wanu ge wane. Ebo ne keti kam, eketi ebo nwe kamare wo we. Ebo no ga ye buwe mu lobe bank. Agboyare ebo do gbe mi oko, ebo na gbe mi goko. Even as we dey talk now, can't you see a pay oyibo? Who ye pay balance carry? Ebo mu we balance carry. Who ye pay ebo? You are still paying debt. Una ye be le na lesi bo, na leso sai, una le ari ostra. Ekuna mi ya samu. Ayu mu da carry no nyaade. We van body support we don't ye le ade bejo. Bish. Oh. Eketi la o gwa no ge we amu e. Bi agya no mama. La wa no ge we amu. Aye do agbon we live video. Awo bele go sumo money. Awe na ri ewe abi ko ni ri ewe bodo gbe mi oko so lo bo ade ba wa la oda wa mi. Wa agbe wa agolo. O sa we nu kwa ni ka we nu kwa ni. Onya wu yari wa ayori. Eni bodo gbe mi oko. No gi payable be webu. You can imagine we no payable be webu. A document Katie. E boya amwelo be bank. The Katie ye pay. No calling. How do they call? The Katie ya pay balance. Or is a pay balance a carry pay balance a carry. Hey big boy. Or jale balance a carry here. Or red have protected. Or for igamagi adere. You are bola we be. Wa salwa. Abi gbe aga no go. Wa no keke no la wa no give my me. Wa here large live video after more frustration and depression wa you wa cope with. You come up live video and be communicating. If a woman is married, her husband supposed to be her best friend, her husband supposed to be her colleagues. You should be gossiping with your husband because of frustration and loneliness and singleness. You put ballot on social media and start talking like a talkative. Wow, go. I tired of the it's Sanyawe, it's Zanzwe, Bewefwa, about with this man. We're going to buzz. Do my drink. My last time now. And I sense who what to agree now. Ah, nyanga. One by one, you have blast who social media. So every evening here, I tell you, one by one. Go what to agree. No sense who to agree. Keti au ganya. You know, if Mokba no care woman. What do you do? How's I the Yamaki Puta. Wababolo akpiko laska sheko. Wouldn't mind nigga. Oh, we congratulations to Monica. We move. What's your name regarding you because who you in back way? You don't respect your mother because you are beating your mother every day. But yeah, we respect you. Who be you beat your mother like as if you are beating your girl. When you carry con you when they hustle for you. We don't see your man can hustle for you. Which no man. I am a carry babe, come hustle. You go carry your mom and your man come hustle. Don't balance a carry because you know I know. Man, I balance no problem, you know. And you go see come on for that video call the talk. What you get to talk? Like when you get up and sit. Get inside and keep quiet. No sense. Allah jabi la video do pa give eme. Give eme Monica no ho wa ya bobole le want to I don't understand some women. Salobu how does it la gumeyegbe tamasi. Gumeyegbe atamasi. Let you Jesus Christ. Tell me if your baba be Monica no ma neboyata no wa hian set yegbe taiba. How can everybody will beating one person? Una not feel sit down think of what this guy, what this woman really do? They go una. Is she doing good thing that everybody are beating her for good thing? Doesn't mean that we hate good thing. Why I think? I call the very now. And I call it the Mokbawa this going on. Mokbawa this going on. Steady TC one. So you have too much be. Believe you want a small chance in any way. The whole way like be. You want to kati. Wait, they're not telling you. Oh, you want to carry it. If you don't know what was this, if you don't know what, oh, where shall all the viewers, may God bless you. What do you want when they comment bad? What do you want when they comment good? May God bless you. You know why I pray for now? Because we, the presenter, we might be stupid sometimes. We might be saying something that we are not. You understand? But una will be the commenters. We this has we carry for the comments. Una get sense past many of us. I test you. Una way pass also. Some of us a day with now this talk. Now make some of us they are life. If we not talk, some of us people you back with us. You understand? Many of una get sense pass. Many of una will do okay pass us. It's start the UK. Am I okay? He did that for the battle of the breakfast. Oh God, I do my drink. The villas you go to drink you. Now you go much did. Do the drink. You understand? Not be loud. How can you do UK? You know do UK. You understand? Monica re UK, Oma de UK. Any man re UK na one. You boss ye ho. Omo no keke no ine. E wunuri na. E boazeva. Abe Yesu kuwa. Yawe na atie. Ina atie. Ya do masus mo esokoga bidiro. Weti ya wa bidi obi boy. Betoge bidoro na agbeni. Ya like eji won. Ya like eji iyo boss ye ho. Ya like eji won. What about GPC president? Only like Imotoni la reverse in it. Ibizugbe ma gboni. Ibizugbe you was social media na okpe no izu was social media na ibizugbe no. Ibizugbe igo ya da de bizugbe mo hia. E Monica manari go de bizugbe ya ogbe Monica gbe wuna. Igo ya da ada de bizugbe ake go mo hia. Ake go kege momo kege momo kege momo kege ake ibizugbe ho no pe na. O ma gbe bizugbe. Bizugbe is no go. Whether even not. Ibizugbe even ibizugbe ta, you don't know the beginning, you don't know the end. It's a frustrated element. Only agbon feel ni. Ibizugbe is not go area. Kinya ki yoge we are getting money they comment yet plastic ibizugbe na le people. E man uso live video presenter no be frustrating eh. Uso live video presenter ni gabo ball screen one. Ni ade yo after months frustration ni ade. O man understand? E man video no be comment le ibizugbe. Wa e man de ibizugbe na. E man be na be ugoyi o bole le bizugbe ko se oni for so ugo do ron ya le yo we si gomo da be Germany we in Nigeria all do ya we prank no make na rise it's a rise and fall when you is na me gbe no am de yo ne e so ti geri ti situa o ye pete you understand ni ma gbon bizugbe ma gbon ni wa ka yo bizugbe for bizugbe Ibizugbe is man human being. Hey, we no go around where Ibizugbe. Ibizugbe is a dead man living. Understand? Every week we have you go hospital. To na nya gba okay. Where that Ibizugbe. Even na Ibizugbe you supposed to know how on gbe na ni. You understand? He am on gbe na ni man regulate gba na country ni have ni gbe na ni na. Ya gbe ba ti ya competitor na no make na atalo. Awa go ke ya na. How can you be working in a very responsible company? A very well responsible company where we live video wa win. A Français government, a boy, it's a madman. You understand? So he also don't have spin. How get last spin? How give this last spin? Also don't have spin. It don't told the put spin. Have you yo. You understand? They don't last spin. There you ni. Have your girl bizugo, but one go bizugo spin. No mule. So only wouldn't be here. You understand? A GPC Monica Gagamokia. After where me vasi, we hear me vasi. Where you me vasi pepper soup. Do you hear of pepper soup anymore? Pepper soup is finished. Yes, sir. A page very young bear. I don't know, if you don't support Monica, you become problem. When I talk show, he has some blasting here. He has a women I get this idea. He has some fire. He has reporting. Well, anything. Now so talk reports. They're going to report your page like say tomorrow not day. Because why? They are evil people. They are evil set of women. Ya go wa. Keke ti kinya ya fe ya o ya go wa. Ogun ogbelu wa ya wa gbe wa gun. Ayi mo dan. Wa yun wa se fa. Ogun wa gbe wa gbe o. Ayi mo ni o wa zaga. Wa go wa gun. Go do ta. Ibisu gbe do no izu wa se. We must beg. We must beg wa go wa. Nu wa ya ta we no ma beg nu wa ben wa gbe o we na me wa mu ya de obo iwa re ba fe ko de la je live video we I'm sorry Monica ogun gbe sorry ogun gbe Monica ogun gbe da fun we ya gbe o wa you wa se fa ime me you I'm sorry ime ya I'm sorry I log at Facebook I log at YouTube we wa we Facebook wa zaga wa gbon dan abo career wa bola wa gbe do atagwe who are me na one of your bribe are bribing and corruption I go no one wa ya gun wa get demanta wa bola wa gbe Monica mego Monica do baff e wani do Nigeria ya boss ni Nigeria wa go se Monica da Monica la Nigeria de no le Nigeria na o ya unsa ago abu ma go ya unsa mon abrusufi ijo wi san era o ya unsa o ye nyimiri azalo alagbon of it cock money have it didn't be man no win a lily love no way we na woni so we na e we Libya on no win a lily love no ni ye gbegbe agabeko no way we na woni san e dey no even with no there only you can gather evidence right from Otisa Hade only we kit up by you a lily love ni iya we kit up by you oni dio gonira dio gonije iwe dine so dio ge ko gada e gara na evidence yen igba ne i did flog you evidence me ya gbon ya gather evidence you ne do a kalo ni jouer e ga kali ya ze yika boli yo he ni o he no ya gbugbu go sumo money no the cutting of your film so when ti yes yeti ya ze boli you akpo you a bari am ye social media na ma we no ma mi wi ro kere we bu gbegbe agege o ma wo po wa ye yaro po mi bu no so ye because e face we ma wo e face we na resu we mu hu agwa o se le bo na mu we po ba bola wa gege sit of people no wa le Monica abi ko no wu abi a doctors me ya fefe e ya kunle le yan salwa o ma we da me se bo no yin ti gbin kit una me ya gbe congratulations to Sandra Agbogun and a congratulations una ya celebrate Sandra Agbogun celebrate Monica o if bola we gbe we zo una celebrate one agbon ya celebrate one on me by how can you miss a darkness and light together? Are you mad? Do you want to celebrate Sandra Agbogun? Just celebrate Sandra Agbogun. No go at Monica. Now Monica, you got to spoil that video. Ogu they keep Monica. What bell? How you go to celebrate a whole Sandra Agbogun, a whole Benin superstar? Babe, we guess what? Babe, we hustle, build your house. Join Monica with they do fornication, adulterous woman. Can you be celebrating adulterous woman alongside with responsible single mother? It not shock you. Can you be celebrating adulterous and a responsible single mother who is not yet married? It's still free. Don't mean I negotiate put. You understand? So it's a warning to you. Yeah, what it is when I deal with one now. Man, I don't see the video when I do. I don't they follow them bomber to bomber. Because now when they see what I know when I saw as well, it not says what I do too much. I don't they follow now bomber to bomber. Abola wa gbe nyama set of women kini wala jere wa ogwa titi gun patiti are you mad? Like seriously Abola wa gbe atiti iwi you no atiti iwi you no then that tina mo gbe to do I call you igwa dey phone igwa dey live I carry phone I can't call you. Who are you mad? Yeah, you need to say category where they carry phone they call you. Happy call. Hello. I agree with you, brother. You're not the speaker. They're not deport to go for anything. Who deport to go? They're not deport to go for anything. Go there, jump there, the shops and move. They do. Oh, okay. Bon, il y a nous comment? One of UK. That story not clear. You understand? That story not clear. This guy that kiss. Say you are going to my family, we go buy white rum. No, I'm not afraid when they deport out. If my mother carry and go there, I not pray. I not happy put. I not want my mother carry anybody go Nigeria. You understand? More you all the year they fire ourselves. You understand? More you all the year they kill ourselves. Na wana temu muna. Na wana temu muna. The native daughter will carry me go. The native daughter I want to temu muna. Native daughter na my boy. She in and seven na my boy. Can you imagine? And that ram na pay me. I don't like that ram na where they go kiss so. They never cut for me. At least I was supposed to give my share. Since na me they swear for at least na me they swear for them for bring my share come. Now that one pay me. I wish they all tell me say Frank, oh yeah, send me your address or me and bring your own share come for you. I for no even cause nature to yourself. Or see if I do it. At least me and shop the ram before they usually kill me. I greet you one love. Make me laugh. No, not be like that. You go so for person, you give my own share voice. And then me I chop the goat or the ram. That's that. Though I not pray the deporter move. We gonna let the deporter because deportation don't be waiting there are people to. Like me they use and do prank. If you use and do prank, it can go happen last. Now you use your mouth talk because the Bible said the power is the tongue. You understand me? So the ability for you to speak it out and believe in it, it works for you. So if you go do prank, say you are deport you, as you the talk say now lie you before you know what happen, they already carry you go house you. Now you can't know. And you use your mouth price. They famous so. So you get what people say they play not be deportation. And one thing you don't understand, see this way it looks so. If they really deport you, who you say be your friend for you, and that time you go know say not be your friends. You're famous so. And that time they go come and tell you the real truth about yourself. You don't wait when they tell you the truth now, you go to say will be your enemy. You understand? You see all these people that say, hey, not my Frankie, that not my person, not my Frankie. When they go really deport you, go house. Now that time you can't really know your friends. When hungry go blast you for like 2 weeks. Oh, no. And then you go know say this semo, you go be like fried rice for your ear. Semo where you dey shop, where you say I don't dey shop. When on Zunu, where I miss move again, you are rush. No worry, you know the story now. So I greet you now with love. Who are you out of where be? They say yeah, that's your code day. Understand? I will smile. Ko yari okwe be. Yeti anya ni boa. Of where you go out. Oh, Princess Ivie Ero, you will do off we go. Warrior. I say yawe celebrate adulterous 60 years adulterous. 60 years igbeaga. Wa so no me. We celebrated 60 years of marriage. Ama who no marry my yana. Na ye kia queen na akori odori lawa. Oni akula live video. Ona we kia yen we kia yen mure u he yen mure u. Amo kia oda o ma si salekia. Obi ere gize ogi nmuye. Obi yo bai de you know ya nmuye ku na we o. Adonamu. Ona ko mudi. Yenogi wato Merel no wala Merel live video. You are Facebook. You can call it He congratulate 16 years of adulterous. Why? Yeah, tell me now your money be no keke you make Monica. 16 years of adulterous marriage. And now you congratulate or even not Baroma Wagmoge Ekia Queen no you for a new wedded marriage or honeymoon. I go my yeru suya o. Money be no ye be yakin my yeru suya. Off webe. What's up? Okay. I go my yeru suya. Ave money be le. That's why we get marriage no only no work 16 years in. When you get ta no bound girl get magi ban. If you da fun e winner. Then winner up by marriage. Air Force. You kill that woman up by marriage. You leave the marriage. Understand? GPC Ekia Mangolo. GPC Asoko. GPC aso wele. Oh God. Aso bolo. Daddy kuli. Oh kuli. Oh God. Happy 60 years igbiagia. Off work be. Una good night. Una ciao.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware